Yeah, this is Gimpala boy from the rainy streets of Surigao. Every morning in Surigao City, clouds are crying above the sea. Ulan na pumurak, wala kahumanan. The sun just hides, dili makakita usahay. Mga dalan puno sa tubig, engines breaking on the way. Pero padayon ihapon ang biyahe, kay life must go on every day. Mga estudyante, naglakaw sa ulan, uniform nila, basang-basa na. Lison man patuyon kada adlaw, but still they smile, bahala na. In the rain of Surigao, life was hard but heart still glow. Bisan ulan ang nakali sa langit, Surigao on smiles never fail a bit. Through the storm we keep moving on, under clouds that hide the sun. This city may cry with the rain, but love and hope will still remain. Drivers passing through the flooded road, engines tied from the heavy load. Ako si Gimpala boy, still on the ride. Padayon lang bisa tuso gantay sa ulan, naguban sa dalan. Every drop muragan ka sa kahimtang, lisod ang adlaw, pero kaya ra kay Surigao non strong yung kayota. Mga workers padulong sa trabaho, basang sapatos, basa ang polo, pero sa ilang nawa kita ang smile na dili maulan. In the rain of Surigao, life is hard but hearts still glow. Bisan ulan ang nakali sa langit, Surigao on smiles never fade a bit. Through the storm we keep moving on, under clouds that hide the sun. This city may cry with the rain, but love and hope will still remain. Maybe someday